Now let us evaluate this equation. Now here you have 2 raised to the power of x. Now 4 raised to the power of x can also be reduced as 2 raised to the power of 2 or raised to the power of what? X equals to what? 72. And this is the reason that 4 will be the same thing as 22 raised to the power of 2. And let us recall that a raised to the power of m or raised to the power of n is the same thing as a raised to the power of what? N raised to the power of what? M. So which means the power can be interchanged. Now let us apply that here. So here becomes 2 raised to the power of x or raised to the power of 2 equals to what? 72. Alright, now let us make 2 raised to the power of x equals, let us say a. So here we have a plus a raised to the power of 2 equals to what? 72. And rearranging, this becomes a raised to the power of 2 plus a minus 72. And here, if we tend to factorize, now this becomes a now plus 9 now and a minus 8 now all equals to what? 0. So which implies that n plus equals to 0 and n minus 8 equals to what? 0. This will give us negative 9 and this will give us what? 8. Now we can't make use of this because it's a negative value. So and as such, here we have that 2 raised to the power of x equals to our a is what? 8. So here 2 raised to the power of what? X equals to what? 2 raised to the power of what? 3. And at this point that x equals to what? 3. Alright, thank you and God bless you.